This year has been the most difficult year to all of us in many different aspects.
9 months into the COVID-19 pandemic.
Fortunately, the world that I live in is far more beautiful than that. So, I decided to show you the beauty of this place that has chosen me to be a part of. Bali, the paradise island that you can find on earth. All those memories of this island that I've encountered, I froze them into photos that will melt away as I flash back to remember them. Every step I took, I remember this. Wherever you go, go with your heart. Therefore, you will find joy, happiness, and new friends which will open up new experience and bigger adventure. I believe getting lost will help me find myself. Now I choose this life to be a traveler.